Thanks, Shantanu, Abhimanyu, and Vikas. It's been pleasure for me to be a part of this session. Uh, as of now, I represent Recruin, and Recruin basically uh, a spin off Infotech Hub venture. Okay, again, one of the blockchain influencer is, you can say, founder of this particular venture. Maybe you know the person in the community, Mr. Gaurav Dubey. So Gaurav is backing up Recruin, and uh, we are into, you can say, when it comes to the blockchain adoption space. So definitely we are the early adopters of blockchain. During 2020, if you talk about this COVID time, the blockchain will continue to grow in the finance sector ahead of other industry applications such as food tracking, good authentications, storage of sensitive data involves significant regulatory work to tie a real world object to their tokenized equivalent. And there'll be greater consolidation in blockchain space. Many companies weren't prepared for the crisis, where in terms of infrastructure of their financial arrangement, well prepared startup will be accelerated as a result. So when we're talking about career, when we're talking about the skills, what are new, or what the person who want to enter into a blockchain industry, be it technology, be it non-technology, what kind of roles present and currently present in market. Okay, how they can basically prepare for that particular thing, what skills they need to acquire. So I'll start from typically from the blockchain development perspective. So majorly skills what we see needed when we recruit people in blockchain industry. So either they, when it comes to the experienced people, smart ledger, typically when it talk about backend node, hyperledger, solidity, Python, Golang, Java, or typically C. These kind of stack or these kind of technologies people are looking forward for when it comes to the recruiting. And when I talk about industries, so most of the people who will be working in startups or most of the organized sectors, information technology, internet, financial services, hospitality, supply chain. These are the, you can say, typical sectors which are incubating blockchain and using the blockchain rigorously. So if I go with one of the reports uh, of LinkedIn research only, so uh, they taken blockchain, artificial intelligence, and Java is the top three skills for 2020 and 21. And in coming 2 years, these are the people who come up with these skills need to recruited uh, by the industry people on a higher scale rather than other technologies. So if you talk about the companies, how the person will acquire these kind of skills, definitely they should have the knowledge of those things, the knowledge of basic technologies like Java, okay, or start working with the companies or in a remotely based projects, what most of the startup offers, to acquire those skills and understand multi perspective of the things. Second, when it comes to the non-tech roles in blockchain and other spaces, okay, so most of the roles which you able to see in either the larger companies, either the startups, are typically the growth manager kind of roles. The people will be driving the growth of the organization, typically product development, uh, your customer success specialist or customer happiness people, digital marketing specialist, content writer, what has been mentioned by Vikas also, typically product designer, UX guys, and strategy and PMO guys will be leading the organization from a different perspective in terms of blockchain. So if we'll see, there'll be a huge number of scope in the organization for the people who want to aspire for blockchain or who want to work within blockchain fraternity. So if you look from the opportunity point of view, if I see most of the people who will be part of this community or doing recruitment from blockchain, so COVID have not impacted them. So I have not able to come across a single company who is not hiring at this point of time, as we are already working with few of the large exchanges of India, okay, to helping them in their talent recruitment strategies and talent management strategies. We have never seen, you can say, a downsizing in terms of their team size. They keep on growing, okay, and they keep on look forward to double fold or triple fold their employee size, typically in coming 18 months or 1 year's time. So there'll be huge opportunity when it comes to blockchain industry. Apart from maybe few people are little furious about what kind of salary levels these people have, or what basically entry level compensation package for these kind of jobs. So it depends upon the blockchain people. Technology and non-technology, it's totally different what kind of role you will be basically looking for. So a blockchain developer from a 0 to 5 years experience, depending upon the education, his salary is going between 5 lakhs to 40 lakh rupees. So this is the range typically when you talk about the development guys. Apart from development, if you look at people who will be working in non-technology domain like product growth, different type, so they also have a very good range in compensation. uh, from a product point of view, somebody will be coming from a 7 lakh rupees up to 30-35 lakh rupees, the kind of range people have. And for these kind of roles, you don't need a blockchain related experience. Okay, you need to be agile, you need to be creative, you need to think out of the box. Okay, and you want to use yourself and want to acquire new skills, and the companies are welcoming those kind of people. So it is not essential is somebody coming up with a blockchain experience and want to look forward. Even if I look at from our own experience on the organization we recruited in past, either you talk about India, either you talk about overseas. Okay, so people are not very gungo about if somebody have already have a blockchain skill. They are really looking for a person who is very good fundamental understanding of tech stacks, okay, and have a right attitude and willing to learn on the new aspects. So that is typically what people are looking forward when it comes to blockchain related skills and all. If you talk about in India, when I talk about how many people are working in this space, so as per one of the reports of Deloitte, which has been published in 2019 December, so Deloitte have indicated around 5,000 people are working in blockchain space, technical and non-technical, and this number is going to be fourfold in coming 2 years. So if you look at when the Deloitte is recommending this number will be fourfold, definitely there'll be good lot of company which will be increasing their headcount size. Lot of the companies which are entering look or looking forward India entry, as we are also supporting most of the exchanges or the companies who want to enter in India and look forward to hire people in blockchain space. So there'll be huge of number of opportunities going to be created. Okay, so that's the thing. If person is looking forward for the career opportunity blockchain, it is huge.